Okay, well, let's get started with Math 5 for March 31st. It's Tuesday. So in your math today for Math 5, you actually have some word problems. It's the last worksheet before we move on to a chapter review. So you've really learned all of the skills that you need to learn for this chapter. This is putting them into practice with real world problems. And so you'll see that your worksheet, if you have that out, lesson 115 at the bottom, it talks about the world of fractions. So if you look at the first one, it talks about how we use fractions when we measure medicine, when we buy food. Okay, even recess is measured in fractions. Like you can have half of an hour of recess. So I want you to make sure that you really read through these very carefully. In the blue box, you'll see fractions in music. Now, fractions are used a lot in music, so if you love music, you're going to have a better understanding today when we talk about whole notes and half notes. And luckily for you, you've had some of these notes in music, so they should be kind of familiar to you. Read through it, take your time, and then work on those questions. On the next page, on the back page, it says fractions in government. Okay, so this is talking about a lot of the votes with the Senate and the House of Representatives. So read through that really carefully. And then you're going to have some questions, number 9 through 12, over those. So I want you to work through these on your own. There's not like one example that I can give you that's going to help you work all the way through. But take your time and make sure that you Marco Polo me when you get stuck, and I'll be happy to help.